When do you feel safe and secure? When you have a partner at your side who is there for you. And who knows the exact needs and particularities to your company. You feel secure in knowing that you are working with the best quality in the business. When you can rely on people and engineering down to the very last detail. You feel confident when you can count on in-depth know-how and many years of experience. And when you can count on a fair price and value for money. We give you this sense of security. We are MOHN, the reliable partner with the technological expertise to develop and install your hygiene system.